Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to edit a block. So for example, I will create block. You can type a rectangle and use block command to convert into block. For the names, I will set into example. Base point, click in it. And for the object, you can select this object. Don't forget to check convert to blocks and click OK. Now, if you want to edit this block, you can double click and will be moved into edit block definition. Select the block object, example, click OK. Now you can edit, like I will add a circle. You can type circle to create circle in this block. And after it, click close block editor and click yes to save the change. And that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to edit block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.